In this video, we will talk about finding different nodes and performing actions on them, testing their behavior. So, for our application, we have a simple UI. Let's check it out. In the preview pane, you can see we have a box containing the button and the text with an animated visibility, of course. And this button has not been aligned, so I'm gonna align it to the top center. So modifier and align to alignment center, top center. Let's do the same for animated visibility. Modifier, alignment, this time to the center. It's being updated. Import alignment, of course. And now it is aligned. Refresh. In order to test, I'm gonna first find this node and then I'm gonna click on it and then check the value for animated visibility's text. If this is found, then this means that this test is successful. So to write that in test, I'm gonna go to the test file. I'm gonna write another test. Fun and text or greeting is displayed. I name it this way, and this is a test, so annotate it with test. And then compose rule, again I set content as my box and set content my box, and then once that content has been set, I check for that node. I use the search APIs in compose testing APIs, so that is called on node with text. I search for a node with the text with greet me. We are looking for a node that has this text, greet me. And once we find it, we assert that it exists or is displayed. Assert is displayed, and we are more interested in it being displayed, not just being existent. Once it is asserted to be there, then we perform the click action on it. So I click on it with perform click, and then we check for the text of welcome. So again, compose rule on node with text welcome, and we assert that is displayed. If this happens, this means that the test has been passed. It has passed and it has been successful. Just as simple as that. So let's run the test again. You can run the whole test class or the individual functions defined in it. So I prefer to run the whole test because it just has two test functions. Let's wait for my machine to launch the test on the emulator and show the results. So we run the test by running the whole test class and we wait for the results. As you can see, the tests are running. Print, 3 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 and the other will be greeting is displayed. There we go, one of the tests is successful. The semantics tree has been displayed and has been printed to our log. And now the second function is being run. As you can see here from the top, an instrumentation activity is launched and its content is our test. The content that we define for the test is displayed inside it, and then the behavior that we mean is tested on it. Yes, greeting is displayed. So both tests passed. As you can see, it's pretty simple to find different nodes with compose rule and then test different behavior on it. Also note that you can use other methods in order to find different nodes, and the compose tests are very flexible in that case. And for example, you can find different nodes just using onNode and then use a matcher like has text or has test tag or has content description or onNode with content description. And these are different APIs that are available from the testing APIs. They are classified as 4 groups of APIs called finders, matchers, actions, and assertions. And you can find more about that in the compose documentation, and there's also a very good cheat sheet for compose testing that is available from the same page. You can find it from developer.android.com/jetpack/compose/testing. And that's it for this test and for this lecture. I hope that you enjoyed it.